Hey, how was the surprise? I mean, how did Neha react? She would be shocked to see you suddenly. She would have got totally stunned. Hey, I'm telling you that she has been running here and there since morning. I mean, she was looking for the gift here and there after reading the letter. I was feeling like laughing a lot. What? What happened? What? What? Am I telling you? Yash, you are absolutely wrong. Who behaves like this? You should say beforehand that you are coming, right? You should inform beforehand. Why did you lie to Neha? Do you know she has been so restless since morning? Huh? She was very sad after hearing that you are not coming. I didn't like your behavior at all. I'm telling you, don't behave like this again.
Aunt, I found that you all were aware of it.
But you don't speak in between, Neha. This time Yash is totally wrong. He lied to his own wife? Who does that? Tell? You don't pay attention to him. And Neha, I will tell you something. You give Yash a very severe punishment.
Aunt, I found out everything about the surprise.
Huh?
You were also a part of it, right?
Yes, dear. Neha, the thing is that Yash and Pari were toiling very hard to give you a surprise. So I thought about helping them.
Yes. So you also took their side, right? You all knew about it. You left me alone, right?
No, it's not like that, Neha.
Aunt, I'm joking.
Really?
Aunt, take this.
What for, Yash?
Take it. And this too. See if you like it.
Yes. Oh, be happy. And keep surprising your wife like this. I will give this gift to Sister Simi and come. She will surely like one among this.
Aunt, I brought this gift for you. And this is for Uncle. I've brought gifts for people I really felt like bringing. I didn't bring anything for Aunt Simi.
Oh, wait. Okay. Oh my God. Satyajit. Come. Where will you sit? No. Just wait. I'm sorry.
Listen.
There is too much garbage around. I will make tea for you.
Seema.
No. Wait.
Seema, please. Seema, I don't want tea.
But I can make it properly now. I mean, I have been practicing it 2 times a day since the last few days.
Stop it, Seema. How many days will you live here? Now come to the palace. Yash is back from London. Come.
No. I will stay here.
Seema, I'm here to take you back. Please come.
Did Yash forgive me? Then I won't come. I know why you are here now.
Hey.
You are here to tell me not to create any scene in front of Yash, right? No. Don't worry, Satyajit. Don't worry. I won't do anything as such. I promise.
But what if he asks me then?
Did he ask? No, right? And he won't even ask. He's too angry at me. And he won't speak with me, and I know it. I know him that much at least. Him. And you too. You are tensed that there will be some problems because of me, right? Don't worry, Satyajit. Nothing as such will happen. Until the time Yash doesn't forgive me, I am not going to come to the palace.
Fine. As you wish. You have not listened to me till now. Don't listen to me even now. Okay, bye.
Hey, dush, 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 dush. Hey, hey,
Brother
dush,
Pikachu,
dush,
Brother Pikachu,
dush,
Brother Pikachu.
Dush, 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 dush.
Brother
Hey,
Pikachu.
Dush, dush, dush.
Brother Pikachu.
Dush, dush,
Brother
dush.
Pikachu.
Dush, hey, hey,
Ouch.
dush, dush.
Ouch, I am hurt.
Dush, dush,
Ouch.
dush.
Ouch. I am very hurt.
What happened?
Ouch.
What happened?
Ouch. I am hurt.
What happened?
I am hurt. Your
Sorry,
hand
sorry,
hit me.
I hit you by mistake. Sorry.
Your hand hit me.
You are not hurting, right? You are joking, isn't it?
You don't get angry. I wanted to talk you something. But you are not listening.
What?
Friend has come back from London.
What? Brother Yash come back?
Yes.
Yay! He would have brought some gift for
Brother
me.
Pikachu, wait.
Yash, listen to me.
Please, Neha, I don't want to talk to her, Neha.
But
Please don't
once-
force me.
Listen to me once.
Did you realize what you're saying? She tried to ruin our family life. She tried to ruin our married life. I'm not interested to talk to her.
Then should we break off the relationship?
Look, Neha, I've not told Aunt Simi to go and stay in the outhouse. She went there herself, so I won't go out and call her. That's it.
Just go and see once how Aunt Sim is living. You will feel pity on her. And Yash, if we don't go to call her, then she will never come here.
Really? Are you very sure about it? Surely?
Yash, don't take everything lightly. I'm speaking the truth. You are really...
Okay.
No, I want to see what gift Brother Yash
wait
has
for me.
brought to me.
Wait.
Oh!
Brother Pikachu.
Pikachu!
Brother Yash!
Pikachu! Hey!
Spinning!
How did you fall down like that?
Ah!
Get up. One moment. Wait. One moment.
Staff, get the medical kit box fast.
Tell me calmly. Where are you hurt?
Where are you hurt, Pikachu?
Okay.
Brother Yash, I don't need
Pikachu,
medicine.
one moment. Calm down. Let me see where you're hurt.
No, please, don't apply medicine.
Dear, nothing will happen. You calm down and don't cry, okay?
No, Brother Yash, I don't need
Don't
medicine.
shout. Come here.
No, please, don't apply medicine.
Show me calmly where you're hurt.
There will be too much swelling. No.
Nothing will happen.
Oh my goodness. Is it hurting too much, Pikachu? How will you get better if you don't apply medicine?
One
paining a lot.
moment. Pikachu, first calm down and tell me where are you hurt.
Here.
Don't worry. You'll be fine, okay?
Brother Pikachu, you're elder, right? So you will have to apply the medicine.
Look,
No, the medicine will burn. No, I don't
It will
want the
burn a
medicine.
little. Then it will get better, right, friend?
yes.
No, it is burning a lot, Pari. No,
Pikachu?
Brother Yash, no. Neha sister, listen. Call mom. Please call mom. Mom.
Pikachu, calm down.
Aunt, you go and call Aunt Simi.
But Yash,
I will talk to him.
fine, I'll call.
No. Call
Pikachu, don't try. You will feel better.
Mom, come fast. No.
Could you calm
it's
down?
paining a lot.
One moment. Calm down first.
Sister Simi,
Mithila.
sister, you come fast. I'm here to take you to the palace.
I know it. Yash is back, right? Mithila, but till the time he doesn't forgive me, I won't come to the palace.
Sister, it's not like that. Pikachu has fallen down from the stairs. He's hurt. He's calling for you.
What? Pikachu! Mom! Pikachu! Mom! I'm hurt, Mom! No, Mom! I really don't do anything. Please don't beat me, Mom. I was just coming to meet Brother Yash. Mom, please don't beat me. Trust me, Mom. Pikachu. Pikachu, what has happened? No, Mom. I really didn't do anything. I just fall down. Don't beat me. Dear? What are you saying? Why will I beat you? Huh? Won't you really beat me? No, I won't. I won't. Tell me, what happened? What happened? How did you fall? Where are you hurt? Here. Show me. Okay. Wait a minute, okay? Wait a moment. Yes, I know it, dear. I know that. Yes, Mom. It's paining a lot. But where? Mom. Slowly. Slowly. Mom. Yes, dear. You want to get better? Yes. Okay.
Yash, didn't you see Aunt Simi has changed so much? Please talk to her once, please.
Now you will feel better, okay? You go to the room and take rest. Staff? Okay. Staff, take him to his room, okay? Take rest, you will feel good. And now don't do mischief, okay?
Mom, you also come, please.
Me. You know what, dear? Your mom is working on a very big project and she is very busy. She needs pin drop silence for that project. So, I promise, once my work is done, I'll come to your room. I promise. Okay, dear? Staff, take him. Also, apply ice pack, okay? Take this. Take this along. Easy. Take it easy, kid. Yash? When did you come? I know that you are angry with me. It's natural too. I behaved very wrongly, Yash. I did what I shouldn't have done. And I'm sorry for that. Look, Yash. I'm not saying that you should forgive me fast. It's not like I want to come back to this house and I want my old honor back too, but don't be so angry that you don't even want to look at my face. I have considered you my son before my Pikachu. Anyways, take your time. In the end, everything will happen as per Almighty's will. Take your time.
Aunt, Yash wanted to speak with you.
I have known him since childhood. He's angry with me. He's very angry, and I know that he won't speak anything with me in such a scenario.
Aunt? You don't have to stay in the outhouse. Pikachu's hurt and he needs you. You shift back into the house.
Yash!
I'm doing all this just for Neha. Don't ever forget that.
I won't. I will never forget it. I was feeling so much pain for my Pikachu, Yash. Yash, thanks.
Dear, I still have to cook the sweets.
Sister, why did you make sweets suddenly? Almighty went back to his house, right?
But we have one at our house too. I'm making it for our home idol. Actually, your brother Yash came back from London, right? So I want to thank Almighty for it. That's why I'm making it.
Wow, such a nice thank you gesture. Sister, I also come back safely from school daily, but then will you cook sweets for me daily?
Every day. I will.
Sweets are ready.
Yes, Aunt.
Oh, great.
Even I am hungry.
Now I just have to cook it. This is the last one.
Salt and sweet dish. Meaning?
Aunt, in our hometown, salt is put in the mixture of one sweet among all the sweets. And that sweet is lucky one. The one who gets it will have a lucky year ahead. That's the belief.
Wow, sounds too much fun.
Yes.
Fine, you continue. Till then, I will ready the veneration area.
Yes. Pikachu, I will give you 2 once it's ready. Come on, go and study now.
Yes.
Hey, but what happened?
It's done.
Sweets! There's sweetness everywhere because of these sweets.
One moment.
That's my weak point. But if the wife has cooked such tasty sweets, then I'll feel like eating it, right, Aunt?
That only. You are absolutely right.
Look,
Aunt?
I mean, he should have patience till the time we place it in front of Almighty.
are you done? You changed modes again. Why are you so scared of her? Does she threaten you once I go to office?
No. It's not like that. But I take your side too. Neha, you place the sweets in front of Almighty first and then give it to Yash.
No. Sorry. At least can I eat it now? Are you done venerating it?
Hey, wait a moment. Have some patience. Are you small like Pari?
What are you saying, Neha? Stop joking. I'm 1 year younger than Pari. Good girl. Come on. Now let's eat the sweets.
No, not this one.
Oh, wait, okay, not this one then.
No, not this one too.
Then this. I'll take any.
Wait. Take this.
Why is this salty? You did this on purpose, right, Neha?
No.
Are you pranking me again?
Hey, no, Yash. Actually,
It's okay. It's okay.
Yash.
I'm full, thank you.
Yash, listen.
What is this? He got angry.
Yes.
Just see, he left without eating sweets.
How is it possible that friend doesn't eat the sweets made by me?